so much better just because you're satisfied to sit here all day.
Would love to play a character like Vicky Leslie.
Except the world just doesn't. I see me like that.
Can I tell you something? When I first heard they cast you in this movie, I was like, oh, my agent, get me out of this. And they were like, we'll sue you. I was like, all right, I'll do it. I gotta say, you don't suck.
Thanks, I guess.
No, it's hard trying to go from a child star to a legit actress. I mean, I went through the same thing myself coming from modeling. But you make it look easy. Just like you make those jeans look juicy.
These are things.
Come here.
What?
Come here.
She's a pretty little girl. Have a baby for Lauren.
Yes, sir.
A lot of people got babies that were in there looking way. I don't know what they were thinking about. They must have had their eyes closed.
Something wrong?
No. Yes, I gotta pee.